Okay, this is the Numanu Stool. You would never think that there is a chair inside this bag, but there is a stool. Perfect for RVing, camping, you know, maybe going to a sports game, your kid's sports game, and you need to take a chair with you and don't want anything big and bulky. This is the ideal thing for you. So it comes in this bag. I'll show you what this does in a minute as well. It comes in this bag with the strap. As you can see, I've got it over my shoulder. We're going to open it up. The bag does have an extra pocket in there as well, which is pretty cool. Open this up. We'll deal with the bag in a minute because we're going to use that in a hot second. And this is the actual chair. How cool is that? It's like an accordion. It opens up and stretches out and then locks into place. You don't have to worry about it collapsing on you or anything like that. So you're simply going to put your fingers in the holes here and you're going to open it. Wait, you might have to unlock it first. Unlock it, make sure it's unlocked. Open it up and out. Make sure it's all clicked in nice and easily. Perfect. And then I'm just going to lock it from the underside. There we go. Lock that in place. Pop it down and you can sit on it nice and easily. There we go. Perfect. Nice and comfortable. So compact when it's down, but this is really nice to sit on. Nice and easy, stable as well. And then, like I said, with the bag and the cover, what you can do is you can pop this over the top and you've got a little extra cushion. How cool is that? Keep your glutes nice and comfy. And then we have this little guy here where he goes on, and this is actually a drink holder. So if you want to take a drink with you, you can pop this thing in here. It's got Velcro, so you can Velcro it on, and then little extra button clips so you can clip it in nice and easily. Let me make sure I get those in. So you can put your drink in there, have a seat, have a drink after a long day's hike or while you're watching a game or that kind of thing. You can have your drink, or you could use it to put your phone in or whatever. Honestly, this thing is so cool, so awesome, such a genius design. This has been so well thought out. And we're just going to simply unlock it that way. You're going to pull it out to go in, and it collapses all the way down. Put it back in the bag, and you are ready to be on your way. How awesome is that? I cannot believe that this thing exists. So definitely go check this one out.